under the leadership of your lordship, where all the honorable chief justices gathered there, honorable executive chairman gathered there, that Bihar was one of the state whose the statement and all the things was published. So that was there. One point is there, I would like to, because I am associated with your lordship from a long time, so I can say, कुछ लोग अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ लोग अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ लोगों से मिलने को जी चाहता है, कुछ लोगों से बार बार मिलने को जी चाहता है, और अपने ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस साहब की पर्सनैलिटी कुछ ऐसी है जिससे आप बार बार मिलने को चाहेंगे. Thanking you, Lordship. I welcome you, Lordship, because I wanted that you should come to the Patna Judgeship is concerned. So on behalf of all the officers, staff, because all are watching through this virtual mode, all the judicial officers posted at Danapur, sub-division Bikramganj, thereafter that Bar, Masaudi, and Patna City, all are watching this program. Apart from that, all other officers as well as the staffs and learned advocates of the entire state is watching this program. So I welcome you on behalf of the Patna Judgeship to this Patna District Court is concerned. We are fortunate that you have spared your valuable time to this institution is concerned. And I'm sure I just want to say that we will perform as per your direction. We are going to. One thing I forgot to tell. When I joined as a district and session judge, because your lordship was aware about your lordship is believes that problem should be solved, and your lordship immediately took the decision that yes, appointment of the staff should go on, peon, deposition writer, stenographer, and direction came, and even the promotion, all the things, your lordship, because I was getting direction from the Honorable High Court. So your lordship is a visionary, and your lordship believes that yes, we'll have to perform. And I interacted with all the learned district and session judge, and we are in the process of making appointment is concerned. Advertisement has already been done. So thanking your lordship for coming to the district judiciary, Patna district judiciary is concerned. And on behalf of the learned advocates also, I would like to thank that you came to this Patna district court is concerned. One thing I would like to inform to your lordship, that this is the first time in the history I gave a call that there should not be any vehicle in the civil court premises, and the response from the side of the bar is not a single cycle or nothing was there. So your lordship, everybody just wanted to see you, that when you are coming. So thanking your lordship for coming to the district court is concerned. Thank you, your lordship. Further, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Honorable Mr. Justice A. Amanullah, JAD1 of the Patna High Court. Your lordship is the friend, philosopher and guide to the judicial officers is concerned. Not from 1 year or 2 years, from several years I know your lordship. Your lordship always guided us. One thing, I don't know exactly where, if this type of system is there anywhere in the country or not. But here in the Patna Judgeship, this has already been started. That at 10:15, I used to interact with all the judicial officer of this judgeship. Any law point, any legal point, any problem, we used to discuss. And even I give the opportunity to other judicial officers, one by one, that if they want to share any of their experiences, if they have got any knowledge, they know any law which should be shared with the judicial officers, that is being done in the Patna Judgeship is concerned. And the district judges of that particular district. Thereafter, we are getting that information is concerned. So thanking you, I am welcoming you and thanking you to coming to the district judiciary is concerned. The district judiciary officers and staff are overwhelmed by your coming to the district judiciary is concerned. This is the first time. This is the idea of our honorable inspecting judge, that why you are not making the stage. Why not all the time programs are going on? Why you will hire any other places is concerned? Why you are not making? So this is the place. As per the direction we have, this stage was there. So I am first time I have invited you, your lordship, and you came here. That I am fortunate enough that, and we are privileged one. Further, thanking you, your lordship. Further one, I would like to welcome Secretary Law Department, Director Bihar Judicial Academy, Registrar General, In Charge Member Secretary, Bihar State Legal Services Authorities, all the district and session judges who are watching through this program through virtual mode, the Secretary Building Construction Department, Secretary Social Welfare Department, they both has contributed a lot. With either the Building Construction Department Secretary as well as the Social Welfare Department Secretary, they have contributed a lot for this program is concerned. They came here. They have done so many things is concerned. Other judicial officers who are here, that is from Balsa, from Bihar Judicial Academy, from Law Department. So all are welcome here. And apart from that, Director Social Welfare Department, Government of Bihar is also there. All of you that you have participated in a wonderful manner and a wonderful way, and that's why you see that everything is in the proper place is concerned. So I welcome all of you. Again, I welcome all of you. Thanking all of you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. It's my humble request to everyone present here, please maintain silence. I would humbly request my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Ahsanuddin Amanullah, JAD 1, Patna High Court, come Inspecting Judge, Patna Judgeship, to address this august gathering.
Good evening, everybody. Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Karol, my brother colleagues of the Patna High Court on the bench, Learned District Judge, Patna Civil Court, my judicial friends, judicial officers, learned advocates, members of the registry, the BSLSA, the Bihar Judicial Academy, of the government departments, the media, the staff, everybody who is assembled here, and everybody who is joined through the virtual mode. Indeed, it's a great occasion when Honorable the Chief Justice has come here, and that too for inaugurating the child-friendly court. It's a big milestone in the sense that a lot of cases are here and we are finding it inadequate with just one court. And today is also a good day in the sense that the court under the BLSA as well as the District Legal Service Authority under the guidance of the National Legal Service Authority is running a program on various aspects, especially with regard to the vulnerable sections of the society and children being one of the most vulnerable. They need a special attention. The moment I asked Honorable the Chief Justice, he was very enthusiastic. In fact, he wanted it to be immediately inaugurated, and because things are not in place, it took time. Otherwise, it would have been done much earlier. Coming to the main issue for which we are assembled here, it's the awareness program on protection of vulnerable witnesses. Today is celebrated as Legal Services Day, and all legal institutions are organizing awareness programs on a pan-India basis. Witnesses, coming to the main issue, witnesses are a very key factor. All the time we put a witness under oath. He or she is required to say what the truth is. But have we ever understood that what we are asking is meaningless unless we ensure that that witness would not be put to any adverse condition or would not face any threat once he or she leaves the witness box? We are sort of cut off from reality. Everything is good, looks very hunky-dory on paper, but when it comes to effective implementation, and the whole justice system, especially the criminal justice system, harks, because it is an effort to arrive. The court is only a tool to arrive at. How do you arrive at that? The court is not a witness to what is happening. The counsels who are testing, they are not a witness. The law is only in black and white to be applied to the particular facts and circumstances of a case. But who bridges that gap? The gap is bridged by what evidence comes. And what is the best source? The primary evidence is by the testimony of a witness. And if we expect that witness to be under oath, if there is any wrong committed, we prosecute that witness. The law provides. Is it fair? Time has come. Supreme Court repeatedly, recently also, few years back, Justice A.K. Sikri and Justice Nazir observed that the right to testify in courts in a free and fair manner without any pressure and threat whatsoever is under serious attack today. If one is unable to testify in courts due to threats or pressures, it is a clear violation of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. So what actually do we do? The court says, no, you will get protection. The court may even direct the administration. But does it effectively happen? The Supreme Court has awoken to the ground realities, and now a commission has been set up under Honorable Justice Geeta Mittal, chairperson of a committee for designing and implementing an All India Vulnerable Witness Deposition Center training program. All this is why? Because the courts, the legislature, the government of the day, the society is feeling the requirement that now we have to concentrate if we want to see that the laws are really implemented and there is a rule of law. If the society has to be made aware that we have to follow the law, then the courts are are to be supported in a manner where they are able to deliver a judgment. Nobody understands that the courts do not have too much of discretion. If the witnesses do not tell the truth, or if something happens, if a fact is not proved in accordance with law, the courts do not have too much of discretion. This is not understood. But now suddenly reality is waking up on all segments, and we are hopeful that by the passage of time and by the efforts of the honorable courts, especially the honorable Supreme Court, and with the proper legislation, we will be able to put this into place. So once again, thank you so much, and let me first apologize to the lawyers because we were not able to grant them full access due to paucity of space. Had there been space, we would have loved to accommodate you under one roof and hold a large conference, but due to constraint of space, we could not do that. But thank you, we thank the members of the bar who have graced the occasion, and this program is being relayed. I think many of our friends, lawyer friends, would be able to access it, as our judicial officers across the state are also accessing it. And taking this opportunity, I also thank the bar, because one of the major concerns I was discussing with the learned district judge was how to ensure that there is a clear passage for the cars to move. But I am really impressed today. I had not seen such type of discipline on the side of the clients, the litigants, and I know that without the cooperation of the learned members of the bar, this would not have been possible. But thank you so much. But then this has proved that if you want something, if the lawyers want something, it happens. So from tomorrow, if I am going to make some demands, I don't want to hear no from you, because I know that if you have the will, you will deliver. So be prepared.